Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the video about GRE vocabulary high frequency word, and this is the 22nd part of GRE vocabulary. So we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video, and it really helps us to build the courage to make a much more video which are helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you will not miss the update. So we'll move on to the content. So here is our first word, presumptuous. That is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is excessively forward, and that means you assume some condition also. And the synonyms are assumptive and overconfidence. So example is, it was a presumptuous remark that in the end not inaccurate, and that means it was a assumptuous remark but in the end not inaccurate. See the picture how the girl is assuming while eating the carrot that she is eating cake and other delicious food, that we call presumptuous. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is, I think it would be really too presumptuous of me to turn down, he said. He said that he think it would be really too assumptive for him to turn down. So second sentence is, it is a boast that in the mouth of an official from many other countries would probably sound presumptuous. That means it is a boast that in the mouth of an official from many other countries would probably sound overconfident. That we measure that it is a overconfidence and assumptive. So third sentence is, it is a factor sure, but it is presumptuous to consider it the factor. That means it is a factor sure, but it is assumptive to consider it the factor. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word, and I will give 10-second pause for these sentences. You can pause the video and read all these sentences, and we'll continue for the next word. So our next word is audacious. That is an adjective, and meaning of this word is a willingness to take risk. That means the ability to take risk. Synonyms are daring, adventurous, venturesome, venturous, and intrepid. See the example, it might sound like an audacious stunt that he did. That means it looks like a daring stunt that he did. See the picture how a person is doing an audacious stunt. Move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is, in some other ways it was audacious, in others incredible. It was the goal that set them on their way. That means in some way it was daring, and in other incredible, that is not believable. Incredible means it was the goal that set them on their way. Second sentence is, an American spacecraft is about to attempt the audacious task of grabbing rock sample from an asteroid. That means an American spacecraft is about to attempt the daring task of grabbing rock sample from an asteroid. Third sentence is, Borat, however, does, and in the film's second half, he launches his most audacious stunt. Borat, in the second half of the film, he launches his most daring stunt. That means riskable stunt. So we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue. So our next word is contentious. That is also an adjective, and the meaning of this word is involving or likely to cause controversy, or inclined to dispute or disagree. That we can simply call an argumentative, and we can clear the meaning of this word by seeing the pictures. How are two people talking with each other? That is an argument. So move on to the synonyms. First is combative, disputative, and argumentative. So move on to the example. Contentious by nature, he failed to establish a suitable atmosphere. That means argumentative and disputative by nature, he failed to establish a suitable atmosphere. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is his proposal to remove the portrait proved more contentious. That means his proposal to remove the picture, that is portrait is a picture, and that proved more combative. Second sentence is the format changes, which included muting one candidate as the other spent 2 minutes essentially responding to a question, were contentious. That means the format changes, which included muting one candidate as the other spent 2 minutes initially respond to a question, were argumentative. Move on to the third sentence. The contentious first debate between Biden and Trump was watched at least 73 million viewers. That means the argumentative, that we all know, the first debate between the Biden and the Trump was watched by at least 73 million viewers. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue. So our next word is apprise, that is a verb. And the meaning of this word is give information to somebody. Synonyms are advise, enlighten, apprise, instruct. Example is, have the students been apprised of the tuition hike? That means the students have been enlightened or instruct of the tuition hike. See the picture and the board which give the information for you that please be careful, only you can prevent wildfire. Move on to the sentences. First is Meadow and Mnuchin said they were keeping him and President Trump closely apprised of developments. That means Meadows and Mnuchin said they were keeping him and the President Trump closely instructable of the development. Second sentence is he said he was fully apprised of the substances of the bargaining. That means he said that he was fully informed or instructed of the substances of the bargain. So our third sentence is the report said Mr. Parker kept Mr. Quigley apprised of those communications. That means the report said that Mr. Parker kept Mr. Quigley informed of those communications. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this board. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue. So now our last word for this video is propitiate. That is a verb, and the meaning of this is make peace or make someone less angry. The synonyms are appease, mollify, pacify. Example is she was more violent and John tried to propitiate her. That means she was more violent and John tried to calm her. See the picture how a boy is propitiate a girl by giving a rose. So now move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is for many centuries the wealth of the world was used to propitiate the unseen power. That means for many centuries the wealth of the world was used to make peace the unseen power. Our second sentence is she was famously jealous and violent and Hawaiians tried to propitiate her with offering of pork fish liquor. That means she was famously jealous and violent and the Hawaiians tried to make peace her with the offering of pork fish and liquor. Third sentence is they evidently like to propitiate the power both seen and unseen. That means they evidently like to make peace the power between seen and unseen. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word, and again I will give the 10-second pause, then we'll continue. So guys, this was only for today, and we'll continue the video of this vocabularies. So one by one I am going to upload all these videos and the word which are important for you to learn for the GRE vocabulary. So don't miss the update of videos, so that please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified for the uploaded video. And I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and if you have any suggestion or any things that you want to share, then you can comment below down. We'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.